What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I just want to do a quick sort of like a side-by-side unboxing of the Logitech MX Master 3 mouse. So on my left in the black box is the standard version. So this is this will work with Windows, Mac, and also Linux, as you can see. Whoop, I don't know if you can see that right up there. And then we have the Mac only version, which is supposedly just for Mac, and then it also works with the iPad. So I figured I would do sort of like an unboxing side by side, just to sort of show you guys. I actually took the main sticker off already, but just to sort of talk about any of the differences that I see. So that's the box for the regular one, and then this is the box for the Mac only version. So as you can see, obviously the boxes are a little bit different. I think Logitech just went with the white to sort of match Apple's other products, and then the black one is the standard version that we had before. Okay, so let's get these open. All right. So there's actually not much in the box. I mean, it's a mouse, so okay. So I actually got the black version as the standard one. So here it is. So this part, this plastic over here is sort of like a matte black. Yep. Okay, so this it's a great mouse. You're sort of at a slight angle. If you can sort of see, your hand's just a little bit off to the side. So it's sort of like this, and that's, I think, it's a little bit more ergonomic than like a standard mouse. So it's not like too extreme where you can't get used to it. I've actually been personally using the MX Master 3 for, I don't know, maybe like 2 years now since they first came out. But the build quality is really nice. You have like this rubber over here. The buttons are very nice. The click is very nice, and then you have these metal scroll, one wheel over here, and then also another one on the side of the mouse. And then you have two buttons. These are customizable. I think standard they come as sort of like back and front, which you can use on like web pages or Excel or Microsoft Office, things like that. Then you also have this button up here, which is also customizable. And then there's also this is actually down here, also a button. And then you have an LED indicator right over right here. So let me actually take this bottom piece off. So you can actually connect these to up to 3 devices at the same time, and you can toggle between them. So for the mouse that I typically use, I actually have that with me. So also let me show you the old one. So this is a 2-year-old MX Master 3. So you can see, obviously it's a little bit used and abused, but it works, flawlessly. So this is actually, I guess this may be the space gray version that they used to have before, but yeah, it's just I can't sort of recommend this mouse enough. So there's that LED that lights up, and it lights up green, then it goes off once it's connected, and then if you need to change your battery, or not change it, but charge your battery, it'll start blinking red to let you know. All right, so let's get to the Mac version. So, okay. All right, so here we are. All right, so, okay, so one thing that I noticed right away is with the standard version, you do get a USB A dongle with it, which isn't the case with the Mac, it seems. Yeah, but okay, so actually, let me compare it to my old mouse. See if the color's a little bit different. It actually is. So this is sort of like a gunmetal, like a darker gunmetal gray, and this I think is more it's closer, it's definitely more silvery, it's closer to the Apple's Space Gray. But otherwise, you know, it's both of these are like identical. There's absolutely no difference. So other than, I guess, the fact that with the Mac version you don't get a USB-A dongle, which sort of makes sense because most of Apple's newer computers are USB-C only. So let me just see so back to the universal one, I just want to see what comes in the box. So you have MX keys, they're selling their keyboard. I guess some like quick start guide and warranty information, and then a USB-C to USB-A dongle. And so basically you just plug the mouse right in the front over here, like so. Oop, that goes in, and you can just plug it into like a USB-A, like your computer, or like a wall socket if you have a power plug. Okay, there we go. All right, and then obviously same thing for the Mac. Battery life on this old one that I've been using for quite a while, it typically lasts at least like 30 to 40 days. And, I'm talking about like using it every day for, 8-10 hours. It's on. So I just want to see if there are any changes with the Mac version of this. So there is a change. So on the Mac version, you get a USB-C to USB-C, whereas the universal version has a USB-A, which again, that makes sense. Okay, that's pretty much it. So actually, use case wise, I use my my old MX keys on a Mac all the time, and like you can use the shortcuts for like expose, and there's like a million things you can do to customize like each software. So if you're using, let's say, Photoshop, you can go in and customize buttons to how you want to use those. Or if you're using Microsoft Office, you can have different shortcuts, like like this could be like a save button or an undo button. Same thing with these two on the side. Like I think standard they come with back and forth, or back and forward. But you can if you download the Logitech MX, I think it's like an app basically, where you can go in and you can customize each of the buttons, and for all these like different softwares and operating systems. So personally, I think there's really no difference. If I had to choose between these, I would probably go with the PC version, just because it does come with a dongle, and then it has a USB-C to USB-A cable, which, let's say if I didn't have my, it'd just be easier to connect. You can, connect it to a car or whatever it is if you really needed to charge your mouse. One good thing is also Logitech claims that, like a 1 minute charge on the mouse will let it, like, from complete dead, will make it last like 3 hours or something like that. And I've sort of tested that, where I've given it literally like a 5-minute charge, and it lasted me the rest of the day. So that's also a great thing about it. So anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching. I just wanted to do sort of a compare unboxing of what the Mac version and the universal version of the MX Master 3, what they look like, what they come with. Yeah, I wholeheartedly recommend either of these, because it just helps with productivity a lot. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, please comment. If you have any questions, comment them below. I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks so much. Bye.